Imagine spending thousands on high-quality feed ingredients, carefully balancing protein, fiber, energy, and minerals, only to have your cows sort through it, leave it behind, or eat less than expected. The culprit? Something as simple, but critical, as moisture. Yes, your total mixed ration, TMR, could be too wet or too dry, quietly sabotaging your dairy herd's performance, health, and milk yield. Moisture content may seem like a minor detail, but it can make or break your feeding program. One of the most trusted voices in the dairy industry, getting the TMR moisture just right, is key to unlocking better cow comfort, improved digestion, and consistent milk production. Let's dig into why moisture matters, what goes wrong when it's off, and how you can take control. A TMR that's excessively wet, above 55% to 60% moisture, might seem juicy and appealing, but it often leads to lower dry matter intake, DMI. Cows eat less when feed is soggy or heavy. Cows avoid the wet, sticky fiber and hunt for tasty grain, leading to rumen acidosis and lameness. Excess moisture speeds up spoilage and mold, especially in warm conditions. Wet TMR becomes an ice block in cold barns, completely inedible. Watch for slurpy sounds during mixing or feed bunching in the bunk. That's a sign it's too wet. On the flip side, a TMR that's too dry, under 40% to 45% moisture, brings its own set of problems. Dry feed lacks aroma and texture. Cows lose interest fast. Dry particles separate easily, allowing cows to pick out the grain and leave the forage behind. Dusty rations irritate airways and contribute to respiratory problems. Poor mixing means every cow may get a different recipe in each mouthful. If the TMR looks fluffy and dusty and cows are blowing feed around with their noses, it's too dry. The ideal moisture content of a balanced TMR is usually between 45% and 55%, depending on your forage base and climate. Feed type ideal moisture percent. Corn silage 60-70%, haylage 45-55%, final TMR 45-55%. Test daily. Use a microwave method or Coster tester to monitor TMR moisture. Adjust ingredients. If too dry, add water, molasses, or high moisture forages. If too wet, reduce silage or consider pre-drying forage. Observe cow behavior. Sorting, feed refusals, and variable manure quality are red flags. Check weather effects. Humid or rainy days may change the moisture content of stored feeds. Talk to your nutritionist. Regular tweaks based on lab results can save milk and money. Don't let a wet or dry TMR silently chip away at your herd's health and productivity. Getting the moisture balance right in your ration isn't just good practice, it's a profit strategy. Well-balanced moisture leads to happier, healthier cows, consistent milk yields, and better feed efficiency and farm profits. Take the time to measure, adjust, and observe, because when your TMR is just right, your cows will tell you with every contented chew and every full milk pail.